I am great, thank you. I am so looking forward to Solid Gold, counting the days down. Oh, I'm going to be talking about demonstrations and presentations as a way of promoting your business, how to get out from behind the screen or behind the website and the emails and actually have a presence in your community. And one of the wonderful things about the choices that have been made for the presenters for Solid Gold is that it looks like all of our presentations are going to weave together to create something truly amazing by the end of those 2 days. So I'm really excited to be part of that. It's almost like creating a tapestry of something truly useful. So although I'm going to be talking about presentations and demonstrations, Dan's doing something along presentations as well. Erica's got her story coming in. Scott's amazing, bringing electronics in, which is going to be super helpful for everybody non-techie, probably me included. And then Don's doing stories as well. He's a storyteller, is Don. And then Will's got something that's super interesting because now we're all going to be looking at everybody going, what are you doing? Are you being truthful? But it's also, I suspect, a really good way of helping us to be more observant, so that when we're doing, for myself, when we're doing presentations and demonstrations, we're able to keep that overview of our audience and notice, are there the odd little coughs, and are people looking around? In which case we might want to adapt and speed up. If people are looking super interested, then maybe we want to expand on that topic. So all of that, I think, is going to come together, particularly for my presentation. It's going to be a bit of a workshop. So people will actually be doing things during that session. So rather than just sit there, relax and have a wave of information wash over you, I think one of the best ways of learning something is to do it. So people by the end of the session will have delivered an impromptu presentation and possibly even a demo as well, which makes it really exciting. I think the energy in the room is going to be high.